I want to talk to you guys why you're not watching the videos. Okay, so you got little bugs eating your plant leaves. Little bugs. How do you fix that? Well, you fix it with something like this. You see, predators, butterflies, and it ends up like this. The bugs see the predator, the butterfly, and they get scared, and they don't eat your leaves anymore. See the little holes on the leaves, on the mint? Well, now with this predator flying, there's no more bugs. You see that? That's how they work. Solar panel. And they fly around. See? And now the bugs don't eat your plants. That's what you do here in the Blue Garden. We got the possum here. Look at the possum. What is he doing? He sure that's a possum?
Yes. And he's
biting
off the bag. I have two bags together and he bite them off.
Okay,
and
let's go see. One more damage.
And then the grapes, I had to harvest them.
Oh my God.
All these branches over here. And look.
Oh, there he is.
I put mothball. I had to put mothball. And this one, I need to harvest tomorrow or he's going to eat it. I have a mothball right here. But you cannot spray water all over the tree when you water. The mothball going to dissolve.
And then he ate my kale.
Oh, go look at the kale. Oh my goodness.
Hurry, I'm running out of time. Where's the kale?
Look at that.
Oh my God, it wasn't like that. Hey, look it. We caught a possum. Happy birthday, America. You see? This is the little guy who's been eating my fruits. Alright, so we're going to take him to a sanctuary where he could be happy and live and eat all bugs and food and water. The sanctuary. Alright, so it's early in the morning. No more eating my fruits because he's able to climb and eat all my grapes. You see? So, happy birthday, 4th of July. Hey, look at you. There's a lot of people coming. Okay. It's being released in the sanctuary. See all the green? All the greenery. There's food, water, everything in there. So, welcome to the Blue Garden. We're here at the Possum Sanctuary where we're going to release them. And here with the lady, the blue lady of the garden. I forgot her name. Anyways, we're going to release them right now. Now, hopefully, I don't fall down. Oh. Okay, so you gonna give him a name? I don't know. I'm gonna let him go over here. Come on. Let me see. This is where everybody goes.
That's it. That's good enough. Don't go any further.
Oh, yeah. Okay. There you go. Oh, cost me a lot of gas. Okay, here. There he goes. There he goes. Slowly or surely, inch by inch. Oh. Man, it's taking a long time. Go, go, go! There he goes. There he goes. He's free. He's safe. He's going to, this guy. There he goes. Oh, man. No. He's the first one who went the wrong way. Hi. Damn it, you're going the wrong way. There, eventually. He's an explorer. Where is he? I lost him. Alright, that's good enough. Hey, look at right here. Viewing hours. First, check out the channel right there. Little Garden. Valid public viewing hours for the last 365 days. Look at 2,153. Look down here. These are my recorded viewing hours. Look at that. 2,287, 2,291, 2,303, and so on. And then look what has been going on. You see the negative numbers going down, 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 down. Now 2,199 is when I start recording it. And now look at right here. 2,153 valid public watch hours in the last 365 days. They have been going down. And they'll be going down to 0. So what's the point of making videos? You guys don't watch. You don't hit that like button. You don't care. So that's why I haven't been putting any videos. You know, look at the view count here. Views, 69 views. 61, 25, 18, 35. See, what's the point? You guys don't care about the Blue Garden. You don't care. The shorts videos, same thing. So soon this number here is gonna go down to 0. And what? Nobody cares. Did you even watch this video? Hey, Chinese warrior saying, why you don't watch my channel? I'll give you chop chip. What? Hey, Chinese warrior say, why don't you watch my channel? I give you samurai whack whack. Malfunction. Malfunction. Come on. Manual overdrive. Watch my channel or I give you string on the string. Ah. Man. I'm editing this one. So much to do. Just so you can. Too fast. Do you see why these videos are so hard to edit for you and you go and watch? What's the point? Alright, it's so hard to shoot this video. I want to know why you're not watching my videos. A bunch of you are just a bunch of... It's either that or you're just a bunch of... Courage is being scared to death, but saddling up anyways. Be sure to get my forklift book at Amazon today. Don't hesitate.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.